Alright guys, Maverick meetup here. I know it's been a while, just giving you an update on the Dasaita unit I've got. You know, I don't got many issues with this or any issues at all. Every now and then I will get a reboot when I start up the truck, and just a little bit of lag on the reverse camera when I put it in reverse. I'm about to... So, you know, there is a little more lag than the factory radio in reverse, but that's about it. So far, I've loved it compared to the ABC, the car ABC head unit, which had potential, but too many issues. So I know someone wanted to know where the voltage notification is. I know it's in here somewhere. But anyway, I think I do have that on another video where you can get the voltage reading here of your battery. Yeah, I have it in another video. I forgot which settings it's in. Yeah, so yeah, it's been a good time with it, especially since I found a way to make the audio louder, like I showed in the other video, where you could go in and turn up the gains so your music will sound louder and you'll get some more bass in your music. Let's see if I can find a song to play here. Play a couple seconds of this because I know, so that way the video won't get. Yeah, so that sounds a lot better than how it came out the box, especially when you go to that hidden menu. Use code 126 and you'll be able to change the gains in there. Alright guys, so that's my update on this unit. If you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment.